All right, a little something we're gonna do here. A little bit of olive oil. Nikki's gonna cut some onions. Have you ever had onion jam? Some folks may like it, some folks may not. If you don't use onion jam in this particular recipe, you can try cowboy candy, or you can also do some bacon jam. These are yellow sweet onions. It's a special, special thing, and sometimes it really, really can make a certain recipe.
No, we made this the other day. I was eating it right out of the bowl.
Oh. This is a recipe. I wanted to do it rather quickly, and I wanted to boil it down quick. I needed it for something. And I think this is pretty daggone good for a quick turnaround. I'm talking a quick turnaround. It's a brown sugar balsamic vinegar reduction. And again, you need some yellow sweet onions, which is our favorite. And we got some onion.
And that was like two medium, probably.
Now, I like to take some of these onions and let them brown up.
Yummy.
That really gives it that smoky flavor.
Oh, yeah.
So a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar, get you a good quality balsamic vinegar, and a cup of water.
That's it, isn't it?
Then we're just gonna reduce this down. This is gonna cook for a half hour, 45 minutes. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit, and I'm gonna let that roll. Oh, the smell. You smell that, Nikki?
I do. Everything's smelling so good in here.
Okay, now look where we're at.
That's looking delicious.
Look at this reduction. Oh, I'm gonna take most of that liquid and bring it to the center. Now, if you wanted to put red pepper flakes in there, you could do that. I'm gonna take just a little bit of our cowboy candy.
Ooh, delicious.
Nikki doesn't like it real hot, but that made such a nice little bit of that turmeric in there.
Yummy.
Turn it off.
And this should just about fill a jar.
Mm-hmm. And a little dab will do you. Oh, it's so good. I just can't tell you. And that onion jam starts sinking in that smoky, beautiful onion jam. Oh my goodness.
Amazing.